Hello guys, I'm Prathamesh Chakravar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show and give you the appreciation of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. This is the poem from SSC Class 10 English, and I am here with the appreciation of this poem. Here you can take the screenshot of this poem, but I will explain what is this appreciation. The section 3, which is of poetry, is based on the poems, and in this section the question number 3b is the appreciation of the poem. Let's see how this question will come for us in the exam. So the question will come like that: read the following poem and write an appreciation of it with the help of the points given below, and it's for 5 marks. And let's learn what is the not rhyming scheme, marking scheme of this question of the appreciation of the poem. There are 5 points we have to write. In the previous years we were writing the 8 points, but we have to write only 5 points here, and we will get the 5 marks of it. So let's learn the marking scheme. We have to write 5 points: title, poet, rhyme scheme, figure of speech, and theme or central idea. For the title, there are half mark, and for the name of the poet is half mark. For the rhyme scheme it's 1 mark, and figure of speech it's 1 mark. And for the theme or central idea, which is the most important part, there are 2 marks for it. Okay, then the most important is the theme or central idea. Therefore I have written the theme or central idea specially for you. Here we will come for the A Teenager's Prayer appreciation. You have to write the appreciation of the poem is. Then the first point is title. You have to write in this way. Okay, you have to mention the title, poet, rhyme scheme, figures of speech, and theme or central idea. You have to remain the one line between 2 points. You should leave one line between 2 points. Title: A Teenager's Prayer, poet J Morse, rhyme scheme is ABCB, figures of speech is you have to write only one. You have to write only one figure of speech. Then you can write any one. Okay, I have written alliteration, apostrophe, inversion, metaphor, personification, repetition, but you have to write only one. Theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is a teenager's dilemma about making the right decisions. The stage of a teenage is important. He or she decides the path of life. So in this poem, a teenager prays to God to show him or her the way of success and help him to lead the best life. So this is the appreciation of the poem. You can write in this way. You can copy. Okay, you can copy, and if the appreciation of this poem will come in the exam, you can write in this way. Thank you.